Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to enable the trade confirmation on Steam. So the first step is to simply hover your mouse on your name and then you'll have to go to inventory. Then here you have to click on this drop down menu and then go to inventory privacy settings. And then here you'll have to make sure to enable this, make it public. And then what you'll have to do is simply go again to inventory, and then here you'll have to go to trade offers and then simply click on who can send me trade offers. And then here you'll have to simply make sure that friends and the trading forums are enabled. So as you can see, inventory privacy must set to public to receive trade offers from trading topics, and inventory must be set to at least friends. And basically now you can receive trade offers. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.